Hello, I'm Matthew McQuagge with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is brought to you by CattleFax, the deciding factor. Retail prices for the month of March were released last week and showed that beef has been able to maintain its upward trend through the first quarter. In this most recent data, all fresh retail beef increased 6.8% from year-ago prices to $8.42 per pound. When diving deeper into this, ground beef in particular has outperformed expectations with a 12.8% year-over-year increase to reach $5.79 per pound. This demonstrates a clear consumer preference for beef, even if it requires transitioning down within the beef complex to a lower-priced item. Expect this ground beef demand to continue as overall beef prices are expected to continue higher in the near term, with summer price potential for all fresh beef near $8.50 per pound. These beef price increases have far outstripped the general food and beverage inflation rate of 2.9% for the last 12 months. While food at home prices have seen a more subdued 2.4% increase over the last year, the same cannot be said for food away from home, which increased 3.8% over the last 12 months. In fact, record high food service sales numbers were noted in March in the advanced retail sales data. Looking ahead, expect these food inflation rates to have a greater impact on customers, particularly at the restaurant level. The latest Restaurant Performance Index showed a decline in the current situation component, moving to a level commonly associated with contraction in the food service industry. Turning to this week's markets, moderate at best fed cattle cash trade volumes were noted in the north at 212 to 214 live and 332 to 335 dressed. This is mostly $4 to $6 firmer compared to last week. Light to moderate trade volumes in the south at 210 live, which is $6 higher than the prior week. The markets were closed today for Good Friday. Following the cash trend, the live cattle complex finished $6 to $7 firmer on the week, with April live cattle closing at $209.83 on Thursday. Feeders traded $7 to $8 higher over the course of the past week, with May feeders at $286.85 on yesterday's close. Finally, the feeder cattle index also maintained a stronger pattern this week and was quoted at $293.57 on Thursday. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.